Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Are you looking for any chicken kebab recipe and haven't tried one before? Not to worry. I'll show you how to make lip-smacking and succulent chicken Seekh Kebab in simple, easy steps, for which we need 2 onions, that's roughly chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies. You can increase or decrease the green chilies as per your preference. An inch of ginger, which is roughly chopped, and 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Also take 2 roots of coriander leaves and 3 to 4 sprigs of mint leaves in a food processor. Then take 500 grams of boneless chicken, which is cleaned, and strain out all the excess water in a strainer for about 30 minutes. Pat dry the chicken and then use it. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Then take all the required spices. We will need 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, then 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, then 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder. Also you can take 1 to 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. I'm using 2 spoons. Then 2 teaspoons of chaat masala powder. This is optional. Then you can take a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt by your preference. A teaspoon of dry mango powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can substitute the dry mango powder with a teaspoon of lemon juice and not more than that. And blend this for a minute on a low speed. Add 2 slices of bread pieces to this ground mixture. And again, you have to blend this for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you're not having the bread slices, you can use 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs or 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour that is roasted. Now it's ready. Let's transfer this mixture onto a plate or a large mixing bowl. You'll get a malleable and grainy mixture. This step is optional. Make a small well in the center and place a small bowl or a katori in the center, and also place a hot coal in the bowl. Drizzle a teaspoon of ghee on the hot coal and cover it with an airtight lid for 30 minutes, and the smoke flavor has to be infused to the chicken mixture. This adds that distinct smoky flavor to the dish. Do not use a glass lid here. I'm using one because I want you to see the smoke coming out. Make sure you trap the smoke completely and marinate for 30 minutes. Now remove the lid and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or butter or any cooking oil of your choice. Adding this fat to the mixture will make the kebab succulent and the kebab will not break. Now we'll mix this well until the oil is incorporated into the kebab mixture. For a detailed written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you. Now the mixture is nice and done. Meanwhile, if you're using the wooden skewers, soak it in water for 15 to 20 minutes so that it doesn't catch fire when you grill the kebabs. You will need 10 to 12 skewer sticks. And also I can hear your mind voice, you know. I'll show you how to make kebabs without these skewers as well. You can take an unused pencil or a pair of tongs to shape your kebabs. All you need to do is grease it with oil and then shape your kebabs. After shaping, gently remove and then arrange it on the plates. Now, dip your fingers in water and then take a small portion of the kebab mixture and give it a shape of a hot dog. Then insert it onto this wet skewer and spread the kebab mixture till the end of the skewer, leaving an inch's gap from the edges of the skewer. Now the kebab mixture should be thin and oblong, otherwise it will not cook on the inside. Now the kebab is shaped. Transfer it to a plate. You will get 10 to 12 kebabs like this on the skewers. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Then heat a grill pan or a dosa tawa on a high flame. Then drizzle 2 teaspoons of oil or ghee on the pan and then grease it thoroughly. You know, kebab is a healthier fast food option because they are not deep fried, and they also include some bread and salad, and also it's a low carb and high protein food. It makes a complete meal and it's quite filling too. Now arrange the kebab sticks on the hot tawa and cook on a medium flame. When the kebab turns golden on one side, then turn it to the other side, and again you need to cook it to golden. Remember, it should be cooked on medium flame only. You can see this grill marks on the kebab and it looks pretty appetizing. For those of you who don't have a grill pan like this, after you finished cooking your kebab, all you need to do is you have to grill it straight on the flame on all the sides, like how we do to make our fulkas, until you get the charred marks on the kebabs. You know, traditionally these kebabs are grilled over a coal fire, which imparts wonderful smoky flavor. But at home it can be easily made by grilling in an oven or in a grill or griddle pan, you know. If you are a vegetarian, instead of chicken, you can use boiled potatoes, fresh peas, some beans, capsicum into the food processor and blend it into a paste, and you can use it. You can also use soya chunks or meal maker. You can also cook them like patties, you know. So take a lemon-sized mixture on your wet palms and make a small ball. Then gently press with the tip of your fingers and form a cutlet shape like how we make a vada. Place the patty on the greased grill or pan or tawa and cook on a low to medium flame until it turns golden. It might take 3 minutes on either sides, and then turn it to the next side and cook until it's golden on the other side. If the pan or tawa is dry again, you can add a drop or two of ghee or oil of your choice to cook. Now it's done, transfer it to a serving plate. Serve it hot with some fresh salad, lemon wedges and some chutney. I'm serving with green chutney and tomato garlic sauce. Let's see how it's cooked. Gently remove the skewers. Let's break it open. You can see the char marks. Wow, it's cooked to perfection and is also succulent. Let me taste this. I could get the crunchy onion bites, the ginger and garlic, and it tastes better with the chutney and also the freshness from the salad. Wow! If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with my new videos. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye!